Welcome to Vlogmas day 17. So Matt is going to be taking Legend for the day so I can get everything done. I have a ton of laundry to put away. Matt washed it all, so I have to put it all away. And he's going to be taking Legend for the day. They're going to go Christmas shopping again because they have to go get some more things. And then I have to wrap the rest of the presents. I have to put all the gift tags and gift cards on there, which means I need to make more. So anyways, I'm going to get all this stuff done in the house. I have to organize, make the bedroom look nice, all that stuff. So Matt is going to be taking Legend for the day. And when I get all that mom stuff done, maybe I will take a couple Instagram pictures and things like that. But Legend's going to go with Dada, so I got to get his clothes on. Clothes are over there. I just have to get him dressed, and then he'll go for the day with Dada. So are you excited to go with Dada? You're silly. You're silly. Okay, so let's say bye guys for now. Okay, Legend's officially all dressed. I got his cute little boots on, and he's got a cute little vest. And he's all dressed and ready to go. Playing with your airplane, Legend? Playing with your airplane, baby boy? Look how cute his little outfit looks. So cute, so cute. So I dressed him super adorable. And then he's going to get ready to go with Dada. Yeah. You're going to go with Dada, huh? Gonna go hang out with Dada? Are you going to help Dada shop?
My purse.
Oh my word, babes. He's got to return that.
Hey, YouTubers.
Legend. Legend's gonna go hang out with Dada.
Here we go.
Okay,
Here
bye
we
guys.
go.
We love you.
Here we go. Now, yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Like the leprechaun.
Okay, there they go. Oh, you got the diaper bag, babe?
I got it.
Oh, there he is.
There it is.
Woo. There they go.
There we are.
There's my two favorite people.
Bye-bye.
Giving mom a load off
Bye.
here so I can do laundry. Just me and all this laundry to get done. So I'll talk to you guys when I make progress. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. I am done with laundry for a while. Not completely done. Honestly, there's just so much, so I need to take a break. I'm going to go take some Instagram photos outside, and then I'm also going to go and walk over to the Dollar Tree and grab a few things. So I thought I would give you guys an update because I haven't talked to you in a while. I'm going to show you guys the laundry. Yeah. There's still so much laundry to do, and it's stressing me out to no end. I'm still a little nasally, but I'm gonna go power through, take some photos, and go to the Dollar Tree, but hopefully my goal is to get this done by Christmas Eve, so yeah. Okay guys, I just got back from taking some photos. It is so cold out there, and I put on this red lip, and yeah, I just took some photos real quick. It's freezing out there, but now I have to bundle up because I want to go to Dollar Tree and I have to walk there because Matt and Legend have the car today, so I need to go bundle up and put some clothes on and get warm and then walk over to Dollar Tree. So I'll see you guys when I get there, probably. Yeah, when I get there. Okay everyone, I am bundled up. I have my Swiss Tack hat on and my Swiss Tack jacket. And I have some tights on with some leggings, some fuzzy socks, my boots and everything. And I just got to lug up. And then I am heading out to the Dollar Tree. And I'll see you guys when I get there because I'm looking for a few things. So I'll see you guys when I get there. And it's really cold out, so I have to brace myself again because I hated it earlier. So I'm going to do it though because walking's good for you anyway. So I'll see you when I get there, guys. Bye. I am here at the Dollar Tree. I found some things and I'm just about to go, so I thought I would show you guys. Also, my makeup looks kind of funny. It's like too shiny right there. But anyways, I'm just about to leave and head back home. So yeah. Hey everybody, I thought I would show you what I got from Dollar Tree. It's not that exciting, but I thought I'd show you. Also, please excuse my laundry. I have to do laundry part 2, but I was going a little insane, so I had to take a break. Although it probably didn't do very good for my nose because the weather is still So I got this like wreath, and it's nothing special, but I don't know, I just picked this up because maybe it'll look kind of cute somewhere in the house. So I got that. I also got these reindeer ears. When I'm looking at them, I noticed they are very cheaply made. Like, you can see the hot glue here and like here. So like, step up your game, Dollar Tree. That's really cheapy made. But I thought it'd be cute to put them on Legend for a photo or something. I also got this. It says Peace on Earth. It's really pretty with a nice deer and things. So thought maybe I'd put it somewhere. I got this pack of felt because I really like making things like ornaments and just whatever. So I got some felt, thought that'd be kind of handy. I got this little photo album because I have a bunch of loose photos and they need to go in something. So I just got a photo album. I also picked up this movie. It's called The Hero of Color City. I thought this would be super cute to like watch with Legend and stuff. It's just like really, really cute and things. And it was only $1, so that's cool. At least my Dollar Tree didn't change the prices yet to $1.25. Not too happy about that, but they didn't. I got this garland, and I got it for like a photo, but it's just like this red garland with gold presents. I also got the Palmer's peanut butter Santas. I really like the Palmer's chocolate, so I picked up these. Definitely going to be enjoying one of these after this clip is filmed. I got a Santa hat, because apparently I don't have any Santa hats, and I don't know what happened to any of them, so I picked up a Santa hat. And then I got silver garland, because, you know, tinsel? No, it's garland. It's garland. And then I got this giant basket because I need to put a basket in the bathroom for some like dirty clothes and stuff. So I thought maybe this would fit because the other one we have in there is kind of small. So that's my Dollar Tree haul. Hope you guys enjoyed. Woo! Yeah, I don't know. Not sure if you guys can tell, but I made a ton of progress. There was a lot of laundry here and it's all put away. So that's awesome. It'll probably take me like maybe one more day or possibly the rest of tonight to get everything put away. But I'm gonna go eat some soup now because I've been doing a lot. The bed is made. Looks pretty cozy and inviting, so that's good. We got this at Target and this at Target. So I was gonna show you guys those, kind of like an early gift or whatever for us, Matt and I. And then of course I have my squashmallows and things over there because yeah, I just like them. And then here's my pillows. And then our little wall thing. So yeah, bed's made, looks all cozy, super nice. Matt'll be happy. And so, yay, made the bed finally, woohoo! So that's really good. As you can see, Matt stuck up the 3 and 6 there. Yeah, we still have our party decorations, but I mean, my birthday was only yesterday, but I thought to show you guys. And then the table, woohoo, yeah. And then he stuck that balloon up there too, so. Yeah, pretty cool. So progress of presents, little by little. Legend likes to rip off the name tags. So that's whatever, but yeah, gotta wrap some more. Just got a couple more from Amazon that arrived. So I need to wrap those. And then I came up and noticed that peanut butter is in our tree, just hanging out. It'd be nice if you wanted to help me with wrapping presents, because I'm not the best at wrapping presents, but he's just hanging out in the tree today, so yeah, that's what he's doing. Hey everyone, I'm going to be ending the vlog for tonight. I hope you enjoyed watching. There was a lot more of me than Legend and Matt, but I hope you still liked watching, and they had like a nice guys night out with like shopping and everything, and I just had like a good day to myself. I haven't had a day to myself like by myself in so long, so it's kind of like feels weird. I feel like I have a little mom guilt because I'm like not used to it, but then Matt like insisted and he wanted to take Legend with him, and I was like, oh, okay. So I could get like all this laundry done because there was like a ton of laundry that had to be put away. So I got almost everything done, and I'll finish the rest tomorrow. But it's always good to have a little bit of like a self-love kind of day, or like a day by yourself. So, you know, sometimes it's nice to have like your fiance or your husband like take the baby out, and you just get like a nice relaxing mom day and stuff like that. So it's just really weird feeling because Legend isn't here, but it's like nice in a way too because I could get so much done and everything like that, and it's just really good. So anyways, I had a lot of good self-love fun stuff today because, you know, it's all just about me, basically. But, you know, that's okay sometimes because I haven't been alone by myself in, like, probably since Legend was born or something. And he's already 10 months old, so crazy to think. But I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Legend and Matt should be in the video tomorrow as well, because we have some fun stuff planned. So stay tuned, and I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!